Whale tankers have been going since 1969. We're manufacturers of pressure vessels, pressure and vacuum tankers for the waste industry. We have a number of customers, mainly in the municipal, utility and industrial side. And our ethos has always been supporting the customer, working in partnership with suppliers and producing the product that's required in the marketplace.
This is our e-Whale product, which is a fully electric chassis and a fully electric body that we've fitted to the Scania chassis. This product would be typically used in an urban environment. It would be used for gully emptying and general sewer work in city centre environments where noise pollution is obviously important.
It's a nice low cab, low entries. When you're operating it around the housing estates, industrial estates, wherever it is, it's nice and low, so you can see vulnerable road users. Could probably do up to 150 gullies a day, so it's a lot of getting in and out of a vehicle, so it's less wear and tear on your joints and ergonomically better to use.
We've been over the years building multiple vehicles across the world, and we've been using Scanias in those right from our concept. Recently, with their development and what we're doing on the BEV vehicles, we've actually started to get more of a partnership and working directly with our engineering team as well as Scania's engineering team to produce the ideal product. They'll be supporting the electric part of the chassis, we'll be supporting the electric part of our equipment.
What we do is we share a lot of technical information, which is how the relationship's flourished. And because we can see the synergies between both the Whale product and the Scania products, we put a lot of work and time and effort into making sure the vehicle we provide is like a one-stop solution. If something breaks, for example, unfortunately mechanical things break, you can clearly say that's the Scania bit that's broken, or it's the Whale bit that's broken, and it's all about working together.
One of the important things for us is the parts on it on our side, so that's the vac pump and the jetting pump, are all functioning through the electric of the vehicle. So it's fully electric, and that gives greater efficiency than an electric hydraulic vehicle.
A battery electric vehicle is looking at how much energy you actually require. So ourselves at Scania and Whale have worked out via telematic data how much energy the vehicle actually needs to use when it's doing its duty or shift. We've worked all that out mathematically before we even built the vehicle, so we know how much energy the body uses and how much energy the truck uses to power it around. So we work all that out for the customer and make sure it can return to base. And obviously batteries age over a period of years, and we even work that out as well to make sure the customer gets a vehicle that's fit for purpose. We've also got a good reputation in the industry as a brand with diesel, and we don't want to ruin it by putting a vehicle out there just to sell a vehicle to tick a box. We're not about that. It's about the Scania family working hand in hand with not only the end user but people like Whale Tankers, because it's total cost of ownership and making sure the vehicle's on the road as much as it can be and not in one of our workshops.
The biggest challenge that we potentially faced at the start of the project was how we integrated the electric vehicles into our existing process. So through risk assessment and training of our staff and setting our process up and putting controls in place where we needed to, we've managed to achieve that on the first 2 electric vehicles that we've now manufactured.
It's quite a different challenge for us than a normal project. The main focus for us, and we've been working on this for over 4 years, is making sure people are properly trained, because obviously the high voltage side, and actually even driving them, because they drive subtly different as well.
We're all on a learning journey, but what we have done is we've done a lot of training with Wales technicians, so we've even had the people involved in the factory in Solitalia in Sweden. So we've done lots of courses to make sure people understand all the rules and legislation. There's different legislation in different countries, so we make sure everyone's up to speed. We do a lot of knowledge sharing. It's been a good partnership between Whale Tankers Engineering and Scania Engineering and our Scania Technical.
The Scania support throughout has been very good. The information has been readily available when we've needed it. It's a partnership we can continue to develop moving forward.
My favourite part about the business is all about the people. Whale is a family. Even in the changing times, it's important to try and keep that ethos. Your business is only as good as your people.
Whale got that same sort of core beliefs and values as us, and Everyone there, I mean, I know the managing director, commercial director, down to the guy that fills the vending machine. They're very friendly people. Everyone can help you out, and it's just a great company to deal with. I'm really pleased. It's one of my customers and nice people to do business with.